Hi, my name is Joshua Jagessar, and I'm from the San Fernando area. In my free time, for my hobbies, I like to do stuff like experimenting with cooking recipes, 3D printing, photography, 3D design, and other things like that. The business is named Harbor Drone Services. We specialize in aerial photography and videography, infrastructure inspections in construction, agriculture, and we also do promotional video production. We are based in San Fernando at the moment. My motivation to start this business was due to the fact that I noticed that there was a lack of actionable, efficient, and affordable data in some of these industries previously mentioned. So I heard about the DIA Lab through a post that I saw on Instagram, and throughout the process, the facilitators were very engaging, willing to answer any questions that we had. The webinar session that was held, where we were walked through the process of building and presenting an effective pitch, was very helpful, as the overall process helped me greatly prepare for the actual competition. And throughout the pitch and competition, I was able to solidify the ideas that I had into a structured business plan that now serves as the framework for the way the business currently operates. I have used the seed money won in the competition to fund the purchase of the first aerial system for the company, which is necessary for day-to-day operations. And in closing, I would like to thank Kariri, the City Foundation, Trust for the Americas, and OAS for this opportunity.